In today's video, I'll be sharing some kitchen organization hacks or techniques which will not only make your kitchen look much better but also more functional. So let's do this.
Let's start out with some pantry organization. This shelf has a lot of stuff which needs organization. As you can see, it's quite messy. I can hardly see the things which are behind and have to always keep looking for them. Now I can make this into a double shelf because it has a lot of space, as you can see on the top. I found these under the shelf baskets which can be used in any shelf in order to improve the storage capacity, and neither do they need any screws or any drilling. You can just slide on to any shelf. Another amazing product which improves visibility and creates an organized look are these clear bins. I'm going to be linking in the description box below where you can find these products. They are very easy to find and affordable. So let's start removing all the stuff first so that we can check if there's anything that's expired that needs to be removed. I highly recommend getting these under the shelf baskets. They can be used in the kitchen. They can be used for many more things around your home to organize stuff. These organizers have cleared out a significant amount of space in this shelf, allowing me to store more stuff in an easily accessible manner by nothing getting lost or forgotten behind. In most of the houses, we have a place that is designated for coffee mugs or teacups, and it might look something like this. We can try to make the most of this shelf's height and add some more extra storage. These little hooks which can just slide onto any shelf can be made use of, especially when you have shelves that have more vertical space. You can take advantage of that, and this is so very easy to just slide on, and it can hold the mugs in their place. And I love the fact that it adds so much more storage space. It makes the cabinet look decorative and pretty. Coming to the shelf which is right above the kitchen countertop, where we store most of the items that we need on a regular basis, we'll organize this in a new way. So I have this refrigerator storage rack which is transparent and is rotating. That means I will have access to all the items, doesn't matter if they are in front or they have been kept much behind. If you would like to try this product in your own home, I'll be putting the link in the description box below. I just love the way how it functions. It has improved the access to all the items which I need on a regular basis without having to dig for them in the drawers or in the cupboard. In most households, the knives are stored in this way or they are stored in the drawers. Now, to free up drawer space, a magnetic knife strip that can be mounted on the wall can keep your knives within easy reach while freeing up valuable drawer space. This organization will protect the knife's blades from getting blunt because when they're kept in drawers, they do bump into other utensils, causing damage. It enhances kitchen safety as they are out of reach of children. Visually, they look much more organized and visible, making it easy to find the right tool for the job. Here's a simple solution to organize one of the most difficult places, which is beneath the kitchen sink. Using a rising shelf under the sink is a practical way to transform a typically chaotic space into a well-organized and functional area. This rising shelf that I'm using can be expanded according to the space that you have beneath the kitchen sink. By adding this shelf, you can double the storage area under your sink by utilizing the vertical space that would otherwise go unused. And you can easily slide in a drawer or a basket beneath this shelf by adding in extra items which you might be needing later. I have another tip over here for you. You can store your garbage bags in a shelf which has this hole, and it can become into a self-dispensing garbage bag holder. You can just pull out the bag and tear whenever you need one. I'm really fond of a clean kitchen countertop, and especially if you have a small kitchen, you would really welcome that little space by using this dispenser, which just slides through easily into any cupboard, freeing up so much countertop space. If your countertop is near the sink or near the cooking spot, placing the paper towels in a dispenser like this ensures that it stays away from water splashes or the spills from cooking. This dispenser can be easily installed without the need of drilling any holes or doing any damage to the furniture. It just slides on to the cupboard's shelf, and you can even close the door without any problem.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you found the video helpful and you'll be using some of these techniques in your own kitchen. Thank you so much for hanging in there. I hope you're having a fantastic day and a great weekend ahead. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye.